transmitter. Take cover now. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for north central Smith County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Wood County in northeastern Texas, northwestern Upshur County in northeastern Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hawkins, or 15 miles west of Gladewater, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Rosewood around 6:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gilmer around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Grice and Betty. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado watch number 560 remains.